Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate peanut butter at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of roasted peanuts, unsweetened cocoa powder, and your favorite sweetener. Make sure your peanuts are unsalted so you can control the flavor perfectly. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for a delicious treat. Now, let's prepare those peanuts. If you have raw peanuts, roast them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until lightly golden. Then, transfer the roasted peanuts to a food processor. Process them continuously, scraping down the sides as needed. This step can take up to 10 minutes, transforming them from crumbs to a smooth, creamy butter. Once your peanut butter is smooth, it's time for the chocolate magic. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder for that rich, deep chocolate taste. Next, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or honey, adjusting to your liking. A small pinch of salt will truly enhance all the wonderful flavors, bringing everything together beautifully. Finally, let's talk about storage and enjoyment. Transfer your freshly made chocolate peanut butter into an airtight container. It will stay wonderfully fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready whenever you crave a delicious treat. Enjoy it spread on toast, paired with apple slices, or simply savor it straight from the spoon for a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.